In the realm of child protection, there are those whose dedication goes above and beyond the call of duty. They ensure every child has a chance to thrive. Today, we honor 3 exceptional individuals who exemplify this commitment. With 37 years of dedicated service, Mrs. Maxine Gilmore Balo has become a cornerstone of the Child Protection and Family Services Agency CPFSA. The entity is the island's premier agency for the care and protection of the nation's children through the provision of child-friendly policies and programs. Mrs. Bagalo's long and faithful service exemplifies a lifetime commitment to improving the lives of children.
Over the years, I have moved on to various different positions within the organization. I find that childcare and protection has been a special interest of mine. It has been fulfilling to see the progress that you make in the lives of children and their families in enriching their well-being over the years. I am excited. I am grateful. It's not something that I really was looking forward to, because my work over the years has not been really for an earthly reward, but it has been my calling.
We have been friends for over 30 years. We've worked together for all those years, and she's one of those persons who takes her work seriously.
I'm happy, I'm glad. She's deserving of it because she is basically like a mother to all. She is a defender to all as well.
Child protection is her heart and soul, and especially now when she works in the Department of Adoption, she would like to see that every child has a home, has a family. So I'm so excited about that.
She's integral in the role that she plays here, not only in the adoption unit, but also in the agency overall.
Opportunities would have come and gone so that I could have been elsewhere, but I stayed. And I stayed because I wanted to make a difference in what I do. And I believe that in all the positions that I have held over the 37 years, I have made that difference.
Sharon Murphy is very talented. Whatever aspect of work you give her to do, she'll do it. And every time we are short on staff, Miss Murphy is always willing to assist. Not only with the children, but with the staff. If you're having any problem at all, there's nothing that she can't tell you. You can ask her about anything. She's always willing to assist you. And she do her work diligently with pride.
Enrolled assistant nurse at the CPFSA, Sharon Murphy, has dedicated her career to enhancing child protection. Her innovative approaches and unwavering commitment have set new standards in creating safer environments for children.
I love childcare on a whole. So I always dreamed of, from a child growing up, taking care of children. That was my desire. That was all I ever think about, dreamt about. To see the children advance, to see how they blossom, and help them to be nice citizens in the society, and how they have learned from me and they have moved on to further themselves in the society. The most memorable moment is when I saw a young lady, one day I was at the hospital with a child, and she came up to me and said, Miss Murphy? So I looked at her, but I could not remember her name. She said, I'm a social worker here. I'm elated about getting this award because it has told me that I am here for a reason and for a purpose. And because of what I've been doing for the children in the childcare facility, it has given me just an overwhelmed feeling of joy.
Albera Green is another trailblazer in child protection. Recognized for her tireless efforts, she has been instrumental in shaping the lives of vulnerable young girls at the Granville Place of Safety. Her work is a beacon of hope and an example of exceptional dedication.
I supervise the girls. I assist in serving meals, dispense of medication, see to that they do their duties, properly groom. It's been good. I enjoy working with these children, with the members of staff. I can remember, there was a particular girl here, for instance. I can remember her. She took me as her mother. You understand? And anything that I have, I would share with her. Comb her hair, give her a little gift such as that.
I'm so proud of my sister for her to receive the national award for all her years of service at the Granville Place of Safety. She deserves it.
I feel very, very happy because she worked here a long time. I come here, come see her, and she work hard.
She works very hard here. She dedicates herself to her job and to the children and staff.
She's quite polite. When she come into her work, she's strict with it, she's strict with her work.
Maxine Gilmore Balo, Sharon Murphy and Albera Green each represent the highest standards of service in child protection. Their extraordinary contributions inspire us all and pave the way for a brighter future for children in state care.